Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This overview is based on my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're exploring Nationwide, a prominent financial services provider. Their website, located at nationwide.com, offers a comprehensive suite of insurance and financial products. From auto and home insurance to life insurance and retirement planning, Nationwide aims to be a one-stop shop for your financial needs. Navigating their website, you'll discover various resources and tools to help you understand their offerings and make informed decisions. While I haven't delved into every product they offer, my initial impression of their website is positive. It's well organized and relatively easy to navigate, allowing users to quickly find the information they are seeking. Whether you're a young professional just starting out or approaching retirement, Nationwide seems to offer solutions tailored to various life stages. Of course, it's always crucial to do your own thorough research and compare quotes from different providers before making any financial decisions. I encourage you to visit nationwide.com yourself and explore the resources available. They also provide contact information if you prefer to speak with a representative directly. Remember, managing your finances effectively is crucial for long-term security, and Nationwide presents itself as a potential partner in that journey. However, as with any financial institution, due diligence is key. Don't hesitate to explore other options and compare services to find the best fit for your individual circumstances. Finding the right financial partner can be a game changer, and hopefully, this overview of Nationwide gives you a starting point for your research. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more information and resources. Thanks for watching.